In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Instagram cache. Now for the people who don't know, caches are the unwanted or temporary files which have been downloaded and stored on your phone. Now to clear the cache of your Instagram, if you're on an Android, you can tap and hold the app and head over to app info. If you're using an iPhone, you need to open up your settings and open up iPhone storage and find the app of Instagram, and you'll need to offload it from there. Now if you're on an Android, you can simply tap on clear data, or you'll directly have an option of clear cache. Mine is on the bottom right here, and you can tap on clear cache. And easy as that, you have now successfully cleared the Instagram cache. Clearing caches are also helpful in fixing any kinds of minor issues that you're facing on the app of Instagram. How to change your number on Instagram. From the home screen of your Instagram, head over to the profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now a menu will open up where you can see a couple of options. You simply need to tap on the first one, which is settings. From the settings page, now you need to tap on accounts, and then you can tap on personal information. Here it's going to show you all of your information such as your email address, phone number, gender and date of birth. Tap on the second option, which is phone number. Now your existing phone number will show up. You can simply remove this and add in your new number. After you do so, tap on next. Now a 6-digit confirmation code will be sent to your mobile number. You simply need to enter it in like I did, and your phone number of Instagram will be immediately changed. How to use saved audio on Instagram story. Now the option to add in audios from your saved option is available to some people, and other people have no access to this option. So let me quickly show you. When you tap on your story and maybe take a story or add in a picture or a video, you can tap on the stickers icon and tap on music. Some people can see an option which says saved right here, but others cannot. Now for the people who don't have this option, there is another way that you can add your audio to the Instagram story. Firstly, quickly head over to your saved audios, tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and head over to saved. Here you can view all of your saved audio. Tap on the audio option and tap open the audio. Now here you'll have an option of use audio. You can easily tap on it, and now it will directly take you to your reel section. You don't need to post a reel, simply upload the picture or the video that you want to post as a story. Let's say I select a picture here, and as you can see, the audio has been added to this also. You can tap on add on the top right and then tap on next. Now after that is done, you can see the video or the photo that you added has now the audio that you have saved. Now what you need to do is tap on save on the top right of the screen. Now this particular post has been saved to your gallery. Now what you need to do is head over to your story section and then simply pick the post that you just saved, which is this one for mine. And there you go. Now you can easily see that the photo or the video that you've just added has now the audio that you want to add on your story. Now you can tap on your story and add it. So it was a bit a lengthy process. How to post a tweet on Instagram just like Gary Vee. For that, you need to download an application called InSquare. You can head over to the Play Store and the App Store and search for this particular app. After the app has been downloaded, now let's head over to Twitter. Firstly, let's take a screenshot of the tweet that you want to post. Come over to your gallery and you can crop it. just like so. Now after the crop is complete, you can head over to the app, which is in Square, and tap on editor and select the picture that you just cropped. Now here on the bottom you'll be able to see a bunch of options. If you tap on this background option, here you could add any of the background that you like. You can choose any color or gradients that you want. You can even add in photos or videos by tapping on this gallery icon right here. If you want, you can further crop this image. Just like that, and there you go. Now you can simply download this image to your device. Now the image has been saved. As you can see that I've just downloaded this tweet from the app, how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. To get started, head over to the app of Instagram and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right again. Head over to settings. Now in settings, you'll see an option of security. Tap on that. And on the fourth option, you will see two-factor authentication. Tap on get started. Now you'll have three options. The first one is the authentication app. For this, you'll need to download a separate app such as Google Authenticator. The second one is WhatsApp. You'll get a WhatsApp of the code every time you open up your Instagram account. And the third one is a text message. So you simply get a text message. For now, I'm going to select the second option, which is WhatsApp. Now here you'll need to enter in the number of your WhatsApp and tap on next. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number that you just entered. You can enter the code and hit next. Now again a confirmation code will be sent to your WhatsApp. You'll again need to enter that. You can copy the code from WhatsApp and paste it in. Now in the next section you will get all the recovery codes which you will need to save in order to log into your account. And there you go. After you do these steps, your two-factor authentication on Instagram will be enabled. Now every time you need to log into your account, you'll need to enter the code that you just saw on the page of Instagram. How to fix avatar option not showing on Instagram. So avatar is a new feature that is added on Instagram and on Facebook. Now you would see the avatar option on the settings page, and inside settings, if you tap on account, here you should be able to see an option of avatar right here. But if you don't see this option, there are a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing you can do is update your apps on Instagram. Head over to the Play Store and the apps or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you update the app. Updating apps allows you to use any kinds of features that is added on Instagram or any other platform. The next thing you can do is try to clear the cache and data of Instagram. Tap and hold on Instagram and tap on app info. Now on the bottom you'll see an option of clear data. You can tap on that and tap on clear cache. Even after you do the steps, your avatar option is not still showing. Now you'll need to report the problem directly to Instagram. Tap open the app of Instagram, head over to the profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, head over to help and tap on report a problem. Now you can simply type in the problem that you're facing directly to Instagram. You can add in the topic of the avatar and the problem that you're exactly facing. The other thing you can also do is take a screenshot of the area where the avatar is located. You can simply take a screenshot and head back to report a problem. And you can tap on gallery and import the screenshot. After the screenshot has been added and you've typed in your problem, you can simply tap on next. After that is done, you should be able to see the option of avatar within a few days. How to bold text on Instagram bio. So if you head over to Instagram and head over to the bio section, you can see that there is no option to bold it on itself. So now you'll need to use a third-party website. Open up any web browser of your choice, and in the web browser search for text bold. You can use any of the websites that you want, but for now I'm going to use the first one. Now you can type in any text that you want to add in your bio, and after you type it in, you can see on the bottom all of the text are bold with different fonts. You can choose any of the font that you want, tap and hold on the font and then copy it. Tap on copy and head back to your Instagram. So now you can paste in the text that you just copied. You can see the difference already. Remove the previous text and then tap on this check mark on the top right. And now there you go. You can see that the text has been bold. How to find Instagram users near me. Firstly, let's head over to the Instagram app. Now let's head over to the search bar here and tap on the search bar on the top. Now you simply need to search for the locations near your area. You can simply search for a location and then on the top you'll see a bunch of results. You'll need to tap on places and again tap on the exact location that you want. Now here you'll have two tabs, the top and the recent tab. Here you can find all the people that are posting near your area. Now you can simply open up any of the posts, and from here you can send them a follow request, and if they also follow you back, you can easily connect with them. You can try this with any of the locations nearby you. You simply need to type in your location and you'll find all of the people that are posting, from where you can easily connect with them. How to get notes on Instagram. Simply need to open up the app and then tap on the message section on the top right. Here you'd see an option of leave a note, and that is the place where you can add notes on your profile. Now if you don't see this option, the first thing you need to make sure is that you've updated the app of your Instagram. So to check that, open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update, you can tap on update and update your apps. Updating apps helps to add in new features that has been recently released. Now if also updating apps does not help to add in the feature of notes, then what you can do is you can try to join the beta version of your Instagram. To do that, you can simply tap on this Instagram logo and it will take you inside. Now I've already joined the beta version, but you should see an option of joining the beta version right here. You can install the beta version, which is the latest and the test version of Instagram, which has all of the new features added. After you do these things, you should be able to get the notes feature on Instagram. How to make stylish fonts on Instagram bio. To get started, let's open up a website first. Open up any web browser. Now after you search LingoJam, you can enter the first website. Now here you can type in anything that you want to add on your Instagram bio. And as soon as you do that, you can see on the bottom different kind of fonts start to appear. You can swipe down and choose any of the font that you want. Simply tap and hold on the font and you can easily copy the font just like this. Now you can open up your Instagram. Head over to your profile section, tap on edit, tap on bio and simply paste in the text that you just copied and tap on this tick mark. Now as you can see, the font that we applied has been shown on our Instagram bio. So that was the easy process on how you can make stylish fonts on Instagram bio. How to recover a disabled Instagram account. Now the reason that your Instagram account may have been disabled is you violated the community guidelines of Instagram. But sometimes you still get disabled or your account gets deactivated without you doing anything. Now the way that you fix it is just you'll need to report this issue directly to Instagram. So you open up a web browser and search for Instagram account deactivated. Once you do, you'll get a few options and you just tap open the first option which says disabled Instagram account. Once you do, it's again going to show you a couple of things that you need to know. Now you just tap on no, this wasn't helpful, and then tap on this information is confusing. Now after you do that, a report section will open up where you can now type in the exact problem that you're facing. You can add in your detailed explanation of what happened, and you can also add in you had not violated the community guidelines but also your account was disabled. And after you type in your explanation, you can just tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, Instagram will take a look at your account, and if they think that you have not done anything, they will recover your account within a couple of days. How to remove ads on Instagram. When you scroll through your Instagram feed, you frequently come across these posts which says sponsored. Now there is no permanent way that you can remove these Instagram ads. Instagram does not let you do that. But there are a couple of other things that you can do. Firstly, if you don't like this particular ad, you can tap on the three dots on the top right, and then you can tap on hide ad. Once you do, you just choose a option and that particular ad will be removed. Now this will not remove any other ad and you'll still see other ads. Now there is a one way that you can stop seeing these ads. What you do is tap on the Instagram name on the top left and a drop down will open up. You just tap on following. Once you do that, it's only going to show you posts from accounts that you follow, and it's not going to give you any sponsor ads, nor it's going to give you suggested posts. So this is a great way to filter out your feed if you don't want to see anything else than posts of people that you follow. Those are the only two things that you can do, and there is no way to permanently remove the ads on your Instagram account. So that's about how you do it. I hope this video helped. If it did, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.